If you're searching for a pre-built gaming PC that strikes a strong balance between price, performance, and convenience, the Thermaltake LCGS Quartz i460 stands out as a solid choice. This machine is equipped with the Intel Core i5-13400F processor, an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, and 16GB of DDR4 RAM, offering a capable setup for gamers who want plug-and-play performance. Before diving into what kind of power this rig can deliver, let's take a quick look at how its pricing has held up over time. Currently retailing at $889.99, this gaming PC has maintained a fairly steady price over the last 3 months, hovering just below the $900 mark. That consistency is a good sign. It shows that you're not likely to see wild price fluctuations. If you come across this machine priced above $900, it might be worth waiting for a dip, as it typically doesn't stay above that threshold for long. Now let's break down the hardware and see what kind of gaming experience you can expect. The i5-13400F is a fantastic mid-tier processor that hits the sweet spot between the budget-friendly i3 and the high-performance i7 series. Pairing that with the RTX 4060 makes this PC a very capable 1080p gaming machine. You can expect smooth gameplay across modern titles on high settings and even push into 1440p territory in some cases. Let's dive into specific games and see how it performs. Starting with Cyberpunk 2077 at 1080p Ultra settings with ray tracing enabled, the PC delivers an average of 35 to 40 frames per second without any kind of upscaling. Once you enable DLSS and set it to quality mode, that number jumps significantly, pushing the average up to around 100 frames per second. That's a dramatic improvement and showcases how DLSS can maximize the potential of your GPU. Next up is Red Dead Redemption 2, played at 1080p Ultra settings. This system pulls more than 60 frames per second consistently, typically ranging from 70 to the mid-80s. While enabling DLSS could bump that number up even higher, it's not really necessary for a narrative-driven game like this, where smoothness matters more than sheer frame rate. The visual fidelity on Ultra already delivers an immersive experience. And then there's Valorant, a much lighter title in terms of system demands. As expected, this PC chews through it effortlessly. With settings at 1080p high and MSAA at 2x, the game averages around 300 frames per second. That's more than enough for competitive play and gives you a serious edge when it comes to reaction time and smooth visuals. Beyond the core components, this PC includes 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB SSD. The RAM is perfectly fine for general gaming, but if you also dabble in creative tasks or tend to multitask with many apps or browser tabs open, upgrading to 32GB is a smart move. It's the current sweet spot for both gaming and productivity. As for the SSD, 1TB should cover a healthy selection of games, but as your library grows, you'll probably need to expand your storage down the line. If this pre-built system caught your attention, you'll find purchase links in the description box below, or you can just scan these QR codes to check them out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!